What I'm going to show you guys today is how to input windows. This is very easy. Go here to Windows. I've got my floor plan set up already. So under architecture, you've got windows. And again, Revit comes with some basic window types. You've got fixed, window casement double, and window casement hung. Now these have already been detailed out and set up. All you got to do is choose the size you want, which type, what size. Put in some basic windows here, and then you'll input them wherever you want windows. If you want a nice bright floor plan, you'd add a bunch of windows. You can go add different types. Here we'll put in some windows, and what I've done here is I've put in every type of window that's available. Okay, now as you can see, these windows have been put backwards, so all you got to do is click on them and rotate them. And that just means you can open them from the inside instead of opening from the outside, or vice versa. And let's go on our 3D floor plan and see what it looks like here. There's our windows. These are the ones you can open from the outside, and the inside you can see it. So if you want to push them out, you've got a nice ledge here. If you want to pull them in, you've got that there. And like I said, this is under fine detail and realistic. That just shows that the detail is realistic or fine. We don't want ray trace. Let's go back here to realistic. That just shows like actually what they would look like. And so there you got your windows. Pretty basic stuff. Now if you want to move them, you can click on them. Use the arrow keys up and down. You can drag them around, line them up. Pretty easy to do. Several different types. This is what it looks like for the two types that I put inside and outside. You've got your windowsill outside, and you've got your windows now. Of course, if you want to delete them, you click on them and delete. If you want to add more, just go to architecture, window. You can add them in the 3D view so you can see them, what they look like as you place them. Now you really want all your windows to be the same height, for the simple fact that it's aesthetically pleasing and it just looks better. So all the windows are the same height, and you can see how they look. It's actually kind of nice. Let's just mess around and see what it looks like under coarse detail. You can see there's not a lot of detail in them, very basic. You don't see the lines. Medium, you can see the windows, a little bit more about them. And then fine, they just look thicker, the lines are more apparent. And let's just mess around, go to shaded. This is based off how the sun is. Of course I don't have a sun in here, but there's just different things you can do to show what your windows look like. Consistent colors makes everything the same color. That is in the same family. So what a family is this window is one family, this window is another family. All the windows that are the same are in the same family, and so on and so forth. But I like mine in realistic because it shows what it looks like if it was to be built. Or you hope anyway. Okay, yeah, so windows, very easy, very basic, and not too hard to do. Alright, well, there's windows.